Hi all. Today Independence Day role play. Kodikatha Kumaran by our kids. Tirupur Kumaran was an Indian freedom fighter who died at very young age. Inspired by Gandhiji's principles and ideals, Kumaran began to participate in demonstrations announced by him. On 11th January 1932, when the British started lathi charges against the protesters, though Kumaran succumbed to injuries, he found dead holding the flag. Kumaran, who protected the flag and fondly called Kodikatha Kumaran. Thousands laid down their lives so that our country is breathing this day. Never forget their sacrifices.